Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. IBPS Regional Rural Banks notification already declared. Last video we have seen what is the qualifications and what is the age, the number of vacancies, etc. etc. have seen. In this video, what is the pattern of the examination, syllabus, what are the subjects they are going to be given, so that we are going to be seen here. Okay friends, briefly you can say qualification is any degree as on 21 July 2020 for office assistant scale 1, scale 2, scale 3 all categories. But for all categories Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, UP, etc. That means all over India. In our South India, Karnataka, no vacancies. So generally, our people, Telangana, Andhra and Tamil people going to Karnataka and write the examination because there is no heavy competition. That's why we are going to Karnataka, apply Karnataka and write in the exam and get the job there itself. But this time that is not possible. Okay? But Tamil Nadu vacancies also good vacancies only. But if you are interested, go to UP because there are more and more vacancies, nearly 4,000 vacancies are there. If you know Hindi. If you know Hindi, how to read and how to write. Otherwise, if you don't know, so better to apply only Tamil Nadu. If you know Telugu, apply Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state also. So, then what is the procedure? What is the scheme of examination? So remember, office assistant and scale 1 officer contains two-stage examination. One is a preliminary examination, another one is a main examination. For scale 3 and scale 4, no preliminary examination, only single examination, that is main examination, then interview. In office assistant, there is no interview also. Okay, interview only for scale 2, scale 3 and scale 1. But whether we have to apply either officer assistant and also officer scale 1 or otherwise office assistant, officer scale 2. That means in officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 we may apply only one. Either 1 or 2 or 3. But officer assistant everybody can apply. Then prelims examination, main examination, interview. Then prelims examination September, October scheduled and main examination in the month of October and November and interview in the month of October, November, allotment that is a final selection January 2021. But yes, for office assistant age is 18 to 28 years for clerical cadre. For officer cadre, scale 1 officer 18 to 30 years and scale 2 21 to 30 years and scale 3 21 to 40 years. In case of officer scale 2 and scale 3, remember experience is necessary. Okay? Go through official websites. According to that only you have to apply for scale 3 and scale 4 or scale 1. Then in preliminary examination for office assistant and officer scale 1, both having the prelims examination, same syllabus, same pattern. First topic is reasoning, 40 questions with 40 marks. The numerical ability, 40 questions with 40 marks. Then total time is equal to 45 minutes. 45 minutes. So no English. So no English subject for preliminary examination. So after qualifying the preliminary examination, then they will call for the main examination. In main examination, reasoning is there, 40 questions but 50 marks. Then computer knowledge, 40 questions but 20 marks only. Then general awareness, 40 questions and 40 marks only. Then English language, 40 questions, 40 marks only. Then numerical ability, 40 questions, 50 marks. But in case of scale 1 officer, main examination, same as it is, reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, English language. In place of numerical ability, they will give you quantitative aptitude. So that is the same questions, same marks, same time is also. But in case of scale 2 and scale 3, only single examination, no prelims examination, only main examination. Then what is the syllabus? What is the pattern of the examination for scale 2 and scale 3 means? For scale 2, general banking and officer and also officer scale 3, both having the same examination. No prelims, only main examination directly. So reasoning 40 questions with 50 marks, computer knowledge 40 questions with 20 marks. In case of general awareness, they will give financial awareness 40 questions and 40 marks, English language 40 questions and 40 marks, then quantitative aptitude 40 questions with 50 marks. That is the procedure and may examination pattern of the scale 2 general banking officer and scale 3 officer. But in case of scale 2 specialist cadre single level examination, this is also single level examination only. Here professional knowledge they are going to be give. Each subject contains 40 questions, reasoning also 40 questions, financial awareness also 40 questions, English language 40 questions, computer knowledge 40 questions, and quantitative aptitude also aptitude and DI 40 questions. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 40, 240 questions, but marks is equal to only 200 marks only. In case of computer knowledge and in case of financial awareness, some marks 20, 40, so 200 marks. So after clearing the main examination, they will call for the interview. After clearing the interview, then in January 2021, they will allot the bank also. So next video, we will see how we have to prepare for IBPS rural banks. What is the syllabus, last year papers, how they are asked, then in which way we have to prepare. So all these items we will see in the next video. So thank you for watching TP Chennai and subscribing TP Chennai. So please subscribe our TP Chennai. If you have any queries and doubts, call this number 9677 166 270 for any assistance. Thank you.